Sinariwa ng ating kasama rito sa 24 oras na si Kuya Kim Atienza at ng kanyang pamilya ang mga hindi malilimutang alaala kasama ang pumanaw na bunso na si Eman Atienza. Araw-araw nilang isasabuhay ang aral na iniwan ni Eman na magpakita ng kabutihan o a little kindness. At hanggang nagagawa niya yan, ayon kay Kuya Kim, mananatiling buhay na buhay sa kanyang puso ang kanyang little Eman. Babala po, maselan ang ilang paksang natalakay sa aming panayam.
I have this peace that I don't understand. The pain is deep, but the peace is just as deep. I know that all things will work out well, Vicky. Panahon lang yan. And I know na kinuha si Eman dahil may dahilan. At ang dahilan ay maganda. Maganda ang dahilan. I trust the Lord. Yeah. Pero masakit. Masakit. Yeah.
Pilit na nagpapakatatag si Kuya Kim Atienza sa pagpanaw ng kanyang bunso, ang social media influencer na si Eman. Ang bangungot ng sino mang magulang ang gumising daw kay Kuya Kim noong umaga ng October 23 matapos pumanaw ang kanyang anak October 22 sa Amerika.
Oh my gosh. Vicky, nung we knew that alam namin na may problema si Eman. So, we were calling her the next day, hindi sumasagot. We knew there was a problem. May kutob ako noon eh. Nung natulog ako nung gabi na yon, ang prayer ko kay Lord, sana wag. Sana save si Eman. Please protect my little Eman.
Napaka-excruciating nung...
Pagising ko ng umaga, chinek ko ang telepono ko. Ang sabi ni Feli, Kim, I have terrible, terrible news. The first thing I did, lumuhod muna ako. Sabi ko, Lord, sana hindi ito tunay. Sana nag-attempt. Sana nasuspital. So I called Feli. And then Feli said, Eman is gone. Nalambot ako talaga noon. Ito na yung kinakatakutan ko. Kung merong isang bagay akong kinakatakutan sa buong buhay ko na mangyari, ito yun. Nangyari na nga. Nung unang mga araw, tinanong ko si Lord, Lord, bakit? Bakit? But now, unti-unti lumalabas ang dahilan, bakit binawi niya si Eman. Ang dami kong what if eh. Nagkulang ba ako sa oras na binigay ko sa anak ko? Nagkulang ba ako sa pangaral? I'm out here talking, telling people the gospel. Was I able to share enough to my family, to my kid? That gives me pain.
Did Eman leave any note for you?
We didn't read it. It was going to be ugly. So we want to remember Eman for all the beauty, for all the good things.
Binalikan na lamang ni Kuya Kim ang paborito niyang alaala kasama ang kanyang bunso.
Yung GMA ball. GMA ball. The first one. The first one. When she first walked that carpet, and she felt so beautiful. And then she felt so important. And then the pictures were being taken. She was posing. She was so beautiful. So proud of her. So proud of her. Core memory namin yun. I will never forget that, how beautiful she was that night. She was blooming. Oh, Eman, I'm so proud of you. Really, you know that naman eh. Alam naman niya yun eh. Hindi lang niya sinasabi sa akin. Nakukulitan niya sa akin yan kasi palagi ko yan sinasabi sa kanya. She knows that I am proud of her. Eman knows that Papa loves her so much.
Ang ate ni Eman na si Eliana, inalala ang closeness nilang magkapatid.
She's hilarious. Had much better fashion sense than I have. So I would always go to her and say, Eman, I don't know what to wear. Can you dress me? She would always do it. She would make me laugh.
What's your favorite memory of her? Like whenever you think of her, it's like the thing that you want to hold on to.
We like to stick our heads out of the car window because we like the ear, so we would go down like EDSA or Osmeña Highway, with our heads out, move together, and we'd feel the wind on our hair.
What were you doing when you got the news?
Yeah, I was in my house in my apartment in Philly. And I couldn't believe it. I still don't really believe it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know. I'm having trouble thinking that it's real.
Did you also share the same fear?
I think so, and I don't know. I keep being really sad because we were supposed to grow together, right? Like, I wish we got to.
What would you want to tell your sister?
Right now, come back. I miss you.
Bilang social media influencer, naging bukas si Eman sa kanyang mga naging karanasan, maganda man o hindi.
I'm sorry for the lighting, I look so bad, but and I'm not gonna bother him. But my favorite
Kahalo ng kanyang mga kwelang post
Magandang gabi mga kababayan.
at mga fit check.
Love these ballet flats. Prada gold metallic ballet flats. I got these in Paris. They're Steve Madden kitten heels. I got them from my mom. She bought them a long time ago.
Hindi itinago ni Eman ang diskusyon tungkol sa kanyang mental health.
Guys, if I pass away tomorrow, I want you to know I love you all very, very much.
14 years old. So pinadala namin agad sa professional. Pinatingin namin at na-diagnose ka agad na meron siyang bipolar disorder, PTSD, and many others. No? So, ang pagiging bipolar kasi like Eman, ano yan merong manic happiness. Sobrang saya. Matakot kayo pagka sobrang saya. Dahil ang kabaliktaran niyan, pag bipolar ka, ay sobrang depressed. Ang mental health, ang mga problema sa mental health ay tunay. Kadalasan, akala natin ay maarte lang ang mga anak natin. Kapag nakitaan nyo ang anak nyo na may symptoms, paniwalaan nyo. Maaring nag-express kadalasan ng anak natin at akala natin ang arte nyo. Nung panahon namin, malalakas kami. Nung panahon namin, pinapalo lang kami, okay na kami. Iba sila ngayon. Iba sila. Ilagay natin ang ating sarili doon sa kanilang lugar at alamin natin, dapat malaman natin na ang mental health ay talagang seryoso at ang sakit sa utak ay nakamamatay.
Kaya si Kuya Kim, kahit papano'y nabubuhayan ng loob. Dahil daw kasi kay Eman, meron ding mga naglakas loob na pag-usapan ang kanilang mga pinagdaraanan.
Marami akong nakuha mga messages, Vicky. I still am on social media because pag binuksan ko social media ko, I see a lot of these kids, a lot of people messaging me, telling me how Eman has touched their life. At may mga nakuha akong mga messages din ng mga tao na sabi nila, depressed din ako. At yun ang nakaka-encourage. Yun ang comforting.
Paalala rin daw ang nangyari kay Eman na mas maging mabuti sa kapwa sa pang-araw-araw na buhay, partikular sa mga sinasabi at kinokomento sa social media.
Ang legacy ni Eman, mag-ingat ka. Be a little kinder. Pwede kang makamatay, pwede kang makasakit, pwede kang makasakit ng tao. But Eman, I just want to say that you did not die in vain. May dahilan. There's a reason why you left. And Papa and Mama will make sure that that reason is spread to as many people as possible. And when people are kinder every day, then Eman is alive. When I'm a little kinder today, Eman is alive in my heart.
Love you, Kuya Kim. Mga kapuso, kung kayo po ay may kakilala kayong may pinagdaraanan at nangangailangan ng payo, suporta, makakausap o makakaramay kaugnay ng mental health, maaari po niyong tawagan ang mga hotline na naka-flash sa inyong mga TV screen. Bukas ang mga linyang ito 24 oras.